Walking through those giant warehouse doors with a $750 credit burning a hole in your pocket sounds like the ultimate Saturday. You see the massive televisions. You smell the rotisserie chickens. You feel the weight of a heavy cart. It is loaded with bulk snacks. It has high-end electronics inside. That specific vision is exactly what a certain website is banking on right now. It is called the Yournexthaul site. The pitch is incredibly simple. They tell you that your next massive shopping trip could be totally free. All they ask for is a little bit of your time. You just have to answer a few quick questions about your shopping habits. It feels like a small price to pay for such a massive reward. But we have to look closer at how these digital shortcuts actually work. When you land on their page, everything looks clean and professional. There is a sense of urgency. They want you to start that survey immediately. They make it feel like the offer is sitting right there. It is just waiting for you to claim it. But think about the math for a second. Major retailers like the ones mentioned are known for their razor-thin margins. They make their money on memberships and volume. They do not typically hand out nearly $1,000 to anyone with a browser and 5 spare minutes. If you look at the fine print, you will rarely find any official connection to the warehouse brand itself. Real promotions live on official apps. They live on verified social media accounts. They arrive in your physical mailbox with your membership renewal. This site is a different animal entirely. It is what many call a lead generation site. Once you start that survey, the goalposts often start to move. You answer 3 questions. Then they ask for your email. Then they ask for your phone number. Suddenly, you are not just taking a survey. You are being asked to sign up for trial offers. You are being redirected to other websites. You might be told you need to complete a certain number of deals to qualify. This is a classic bait and switch. The prize is the carrot on the stick. It keeps you moving forward while they collect your valuable personal data. Your name, your address, and your shopping preferences are worth a lot of money to advertisers. By the time you realize the gift card might not exist, you have already given away the keys to your digital privacy. It is a frustrating cycle. You spend 20 minutes clicking through boxes. You feel like you are getting closer, but the finish line just keeps receding. These sites rely on the idea that you will not want to quit. You have already invested so much effort. It is a psychological trap. You have to be ruthless with your attention. If a site is promising a huge payout for almost no work, it is almost certainly a data harvesting operation. Stick to the official sources. Check the actual company website for rewards. If it is not there, it probably is not real. Do not let the sparkle of a free shopping spree blind you to the reality of how the internet works. Protect your information. It is worth much more than a potential gift card that never arrives in your inbox. Keep your guard up. Stay skeptical of anything that feels this easy. Your identity is far more valuable than a promise of free groceries. Use your common sense and stay safe out there.